There is no baby in my arms. I'm producing milk for a baby that will never use it. No cries wake us at night. The glider no longer rocks the baby to sleep. Our bassinet is empty, our changing station clean, our car seat unoccupied, our stroller never used, and our hearts broken. I blame myself. I blame the universe, God. I blame how intentionally I planned things. I blame how I carried her. I blame my readiness or lack of readiness. I blame my past. But nothing can or will change the reality that my child is gone. She never got to hold my hands as she learned to walk. I'll never hear her little feet pitter-pattering around the house. She never got to run in the woods, ride a bike, or learn to swim. We never got to find out if she'd be lefty or righty, what food she might love. Would she love the things we loved? I selfishly wish she got to know her mom. I will never get to hear the, "Mom, you're embarrassing me. Mom, I love you. Mom, I'm mad at you. Thank you, Mom. Mom, I miss you." I will never again be able to hold her tiny hand and tell her how much I love her, how beautiful she is. Now I get to think of her in heaven and hold her ashes in my hand and remember all the things we had, all the ways I loved her, and all the memories we shared. Allie, I love you.
You should change your name to laughter. You bring joy to every room. All the voices vanish after hearing such a lovely tune.